In this video, we're going to learn how to create a list box in Microsoft Excel. Alright, so I have my Excel worksheet open and I want to create a list box for all 5 of these items. So what that'll do is it'll give me an arrow in this box and then have a drop down with all these colors for me to select from. So to create that, what I need to do is go here to the Data tab, then come over to the Data Tools section, and these are all the tools that involve data validation for cells or controlling whatever input that you put into the cells. In settings, I want to choose list, and for source, I'll choose all these colors that I want in my list and click OK. There I go. There's my drop down list box. It has all these colors to select from. There's only one problem with this box. I really want to be able to deselect something that I select here. So I want to create a different list box, one that has a space in here. Let me show you how to do that. Just go back to data validation, choose a list. Choose my source information, but I'm also choosing a blank. And I want to deselect this so I don't ignore that blank. Alright, so I can choose a color and then I can deselect with the blank. And what's good about this is if you need to use this list with a series of records, then when it's blank, you can just go ahead and copy down here, and all of these will be list boxes. Another thing you can do is customize error messages. So if I click in here and I try to type something, it gives me an error message. I can actually customize this message. Then I can also have a little tag somewhere here that actually says that this is my color list. Let's figure out how to do that. That's in the Data tab. I actually want to do a new box. I'll start over here. So I don't want to ignore the blank, so I'm deselecting that. So for my error, if I try to enter any other text in here, I can have my error message say select from the list, just for a tip. And then for the input message, we'll just say choose a color. And make sure my settings are right. Yeah, so automatically, you don't even have to be hovering over like a tooltip. It says choose a color. I can choose a color, I can deselect that color, and if I try to type something in that's not supposed to be in there, and just remember this is a data validation tool, and I hit enter, the message that I put in shows up select from the list. So that's all I have for creating a list box. I hope this could help you.
Alright, this is the end of the video. If you have any comments, go ahead and make one. And I'm going to be leaving, if I have any resources related to this topic, I'll leave some links in the description. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.